You've heard about Wealthfront and you've heard about CIT Bank. So today you wonder which one is best between Wealthfront and CIT Bank. Welcome to this video. My name is Maverick and I'm going to be your tutor for today. So I'm going to go ahead, explain what Wealthfront is about, explain what CIT Bank, and also explain the differences between each of these two financial platforms. I'm going ahead to tell you the best among each of these differences and also tell you my final thought and which one I'll be picking as the best between Wealthfront versus CIT Bank. As you know, Wealthfront is an automated investment service that provides financial planning, investment management, and banking services. Now, it utilizes sophisticated algorithm to, manage investments, rebalance portfolio, and optimize taxes. So Wealthfront is known for its user-friendly platform, as you can see, and also low fees and comprehensive financial planning tools. And it offers a range of products, including, robo advisory services, cash management accounts, and personal financial planning tools. Talking about CIT Bank at the other hand, it's an online bank that offers a variety of banking products, including savings accounts, money market accounts, and also certificates of deposit. And also, they also render home loans. So, CIT Bank is known for its competitive interest rates, especially on savings and money market accounts. And the thing you need to know is that it does not provide investment management services as at the time of creating this video, but it focuses on providing strong banking products with attractive rates and low fees. Now let's talk about the differences between these two platforms. So we use that as a factor to our decision. I'm going to be naming 15 differences between these, so you can sit back and let's write together. The first one I'm going to be talking about is the type of service offered by each of this platform. When it comes to Wealthfront, they primarily focus on automated investment management and financial planning. While when it comes to CIT Bank, they focus on traditional banking services such as savings accounts, certificates of deposits, and home loans. Now, in the aspect of type of services offered, in the aspect of investment management, we give it to Wealthfront, but in the aspect of high yield savings and certificates of deposit, we give it to CIT Bank. Also, talking about investment management, Wealthfront, they provide robo advisory services, automated portfolio management, and tax loss harvesting. When it comes to CIT Bank, they do not offer investment management services. So in the aspect of investment management, we're going to give it to Wealthfront as the best here because they offer that. Talking about banking products, Wealthfront, they offer cash management accounts with high interest rates. All right. But when it comes to the CIT Bank, they offer a wide range of banking products, including, high yield savings, money market accounts, and certificates of deposits. So the best in this aspect of banking products is going to go to CIT Bank. Talking about interest rates on savings, when it comes to CIT Bank, they offer high interest rates on savings and money market accounts. While when it comes to Wealthfront, they have competitive interest rates on cash account. So the best in this aspect of high interest rates is still gonna go to CIT Bank. Talk about fees that these platforms charge. When it comes to the CIT Bank, they generally have no monthly fees for savings accounts. But when it comes to Wealthfront, they charge a management fees. Typically, from my research, it's around 0.25% annually as at the time of creating this video. Possibly it changes later for any investment management. So for these fees, we're going to give it to CIT Bank because they have no banking fees. And when it comes to Wealthfront also, they also have low investment management fees. So, but possibly we'll still give that to CIT Bank. All right. So talking about minimum balance requirement, the Wealthfront, they have low minimum balance for investments across $500. Okay. Why when it comes to CIT Bank, they are variably minimum balances depending on the product. Example can be $100 for savings account. So the best in this is still Wealthfront for lower entry in investment, and best in this can also be for CIT Bank for low banking minimums. Okay, so it can still be a tie. All right. Talk about ease of account opening. Well, both platforms have easy, fully online process, easy account opening process. So it's a tie in these, as there is no best between both, because both Wealthfront and CIT Bank, they have a good account opening and easy account opening process for almost everyone. Let's talk about the user interface and experience. With Wealthfront, they have modern, intuitive app and website with comprehensive financial planning tools. And when it comes to the CIT Bank, they are functional, user-friendly, and more basic compared to Wealthfront. But however, we're still gonna say the Wealthfront interface is still best when it comes to the interface and experience. So I'm still gonna go for Wealthfront in this aspect. Let's talk about financial planning tools. With Wealthfront, they offer advanced financial planning tools and personalized advice. While when it comes to CIT Bank, they kind of have limitation to only basic banking tools. All right. So the best here in the aspect of financial planning tool, to me, will go to Wealthfront. Let's talk about customer support. The CIT Bank customer support is kind of more top notch because they have phone and email support, and they also have exclusive frequently asked session. Wealthfront also, they have email support and an extensive help center. But to me, the best here will be CIT Bank for more accessible customer support, or possibly it can also be a tie because Wealth Bank also, they have a good support, but there is limited frequently asked questions section right here. Now let's go ahead and talk about the FDIC insurance coverage. With the Wealthfront, they have cash accounts which are under the FDIC insured of up to $1 million. While when it comes to the CIT Bank, they have savings accounts that are FDIC insured also, but up to $250,000. So right here, Wealthfront is still higher when it comes to the FDIC insurance on cash account. So we give it to Wealthfront as the best in this aspect of FDIC insurance. Talk about accessibility. Wealthfront, they are available through a web interface and mobile application. Same also, the CIT Bank is also available through a web interface and mobile application. So the best here, it's be a tie because both platforms, they have accessibility through mobile and web. Talk about the target audience. CIT Bank is ideal for savers seeking high interest banking products. While when it comes to the Wealthfront, they are ideal for tech savvy investors who are looking for automated investment management. So right here, when it comes to investors, we go for Wealthfront, and when it comes to savers, we go for CIT Bank. The 14th point that I have is the account type. When it comes to CIT Bank, individuals and joint savings account, money market account, certificates of deposit, home loans, those are the type of accounts created under the CIT Bank. While when it comes to the Wealthfront, individual and joint taxable accounts, IRAs, and 529 college savings plan. That's at the time of creating this video. So the best here in the account type, in the aspect for diverse investment account, it goes to Wealthfront, and for the aspect of varied banking products, it goes to the CIT Bank. Let's talk about the last year on the list, which is reputation and trustworthiness. When it comes to the CIT Bank, they have strong reputation as a reliable online bank with competitive rates. And when it comes to Wealthfront, they also have a strong reputation in the fintech space with high customer satisfaction. So that is the 15 points that I have for you explaining the differences between both platforms. Now, based on everything you've heard, which one do you think I will go for between Wealthfront and CIT Bank? However, this is not, a live call, it's recorded. So let me go straight and tell you the one that I choose between both platforms. Well, my best platform between Wealthfront and CIT Bank is Wealthfront. And my first reason for choosing Wealthfront is that it has comprehensive financial planning, because Wealthfront offers, advanced financial planning tools that are ideal for long-term investment strategies. Also, they have automated investment management because with their robo-advisory services and sophisticated offerings and features like tax loss harvesting and automatic rebalancing, it's a good one for anyone who might possibly want to go into investing under Wealthfront. Also, the low minimum balance for investment is what I like, because with a low entry point of $500, it is accessible for new investors to easily get access. And also the fact that they have higher FDIC insurance than CIT Bank, up to $1 million, offering more security, and it's a good one for me and any other person who might want to consider such feature. Also, the user interface is very cool and sleek. The platform's modern, intuitive design, it makes it easy to manage and plan finances effectively. That is what I have for you in today's video. And if you feel like no CIT Bank is better than Wealthfront, then let us know your reason in the comment box. However, I'm not an expert in this. I'm also an intermediate who is just doing everything possible to give value to you and tell you my mindset. So you can also go ahead, share your thoughts in the comment box. I'm certain other people will be able to learn from you. Thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. If you also go ahead and select Wealthfront, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Possibly it helps other people to make the best decision also. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.